Have you ever wondered if there's a way to clear your incognito browsing history in Google Chrome? Maybe you're concerned about privacy, or just want to make sure there's no trace left behind on your computer. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete traces of your incognito history using a simple command in Windows. By the end of this video, you'll know how to flush out leftover data that may linger in your system's DNS cache and keep your browsing habits private. All right, let's dive in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your Start menu. That's the little Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Give it a click, or just tap the Windows key on your keyboard. Once you're there, start typing CMD. All lowercase is fine. You'll see Command Prompt pop up as a search result. Now, here's an important bit. Don't just click on it. Instead, right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. You want those elevated privileges because otherwise, your commands might not have the effect you want. If you're prompted with a little confirmation pop-up, just click Yes to proceed. If you're not sure why we're running as administrator, think of it like having keys to the whole house rather than just one room. It gives you access to make deeper changes your computer needs for this process. All right, now you've got that classic black command prompt window open. Don't be intimidated by how it looks. We're going to type one simple command, ipconfig flush DNS. So go ahead and type it out just like you see here. That's ipconfig, then a space, then a /, then flush DNS. This command tells your computer to flush or clean out the DNS cache. What does that mean in plain English? Well, when you browse the web, especially in incognito mode, Chrome doesn't save your browsing history in the usual places, but your computer can still remember little bits of it, called DNS records. These are just like footprints showing where you've been online. Flushing the DNS is essentially sweeping those footprints away. After you've typed the command, press Enter on your keyboard. You might see a message that says, successfully flush the DNS resolver cache, and that's what you're hoping to see. If you get that message, it means the process worked perfectly, and any DNS traces your browsing may have left behind are now gone. If for some reason you see an error, double-check that you ran Command Prompt as administrator. Sometimes the system needs those extra permissions to finish the job, and that's it, really. It's a surprisingly quick process, maybe just a minute or two from start to finish. If you're curious about why this works, it's because incognito mode in browsers will hide most of your search and browsing history, but the operating system's DNS cache can still keep records of sites you visited in any mode. By clearing this, you take that final step in protecting your privacy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps out. If you have any questions or run into any issues, or if you want to know more about online privacy, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help out. And if you'd like more step-by-step guides like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.